The Lamborghini Aventador is a supercar that stands out in the wildest ways, appearing as if it's straight out of an extravagant science fiction movie. Beneath the flashy carbon fiber exterior of the Aventador, there's a blend of time-honored technology, rather than the modern turbochargers or hybrid systems found in competitors like Koenigsegg. Its massive 6.5-liter V12 engine depends on sheer size to produce an impressive 740 EP, without the aid of modern boosting technology. Dive into more car reviews by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. The Aventador also strays from the common path with its transmission. Instead of employing a sophisticated double-clutch system, it utilizes a more compact and lighter robotized manual unit. This is essentially a traditional manual gearbox with hydraulic levers that replace the driver's manual efforts. This design eliminates the need for a clutch and delivers incredibly rapid gear changes, although it can feel a bit rough at low speeds. The Aventador's solid four-wheel drive system and extensive tires enhance its grip, even in slippery conditions, and its visibility is surprisingly good for a super-low car. It's a vehicle that doesn't feel overly daunting to drive, with a reasonably organized interior and an infotainment system and digital driver's display that are reminiscent of high-end autos. One downside to the Aventador's striking appearance is its stiff suspension, making it less than ideal for long-distance drives across the continent. Unlike some of its competitors, such as the Ferrari 812 Superfast and McLaren 720S. However, if you're in the market for a breathtaking weekend supercar that's not only blisteringly fast, but also relatively approachable to drive, the Lamborghini Aventador is a standout choice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful car reviews.